Debi Peverill, and you're listening to the weekly tip from Peverill's Financial Training Group. Today I'm talking about pricing, and pricing in 2025 includes some worrying about how tariffs might be either affecting you or your customers, or potentially the whole economy, in which will these tariffs cause a recession. So you know that we have tariffs, then we don't have tariffs, and we're charging tariffs back to the people who are charging us tariffs. It's been a time of quite a bit of uncertainty. So how do you make sure that you're not making less money because of all of this uncertainty? Things to check into: if you have contracts with suppliers or with customers, what does it say in that contract about whose responsibility it is to pay any tariffs that come up? Up until recently, many people who had contracts didn't have much of anything saying in the contract about what they should do about tariffs. So you should take a look at that. You also want to make sure that you're not giving quotes that don't have a time limit on them, or that you're not giving a quote that doesn't say something on it like subject to change without notice should anything happen, such as suddenly whatever you're selling has attracted a tariff. If you have price lists up on your website, same deal. It should say someplace subject to change without notice, or they're good till the end of the month, and that's it. Given the amount of uncertainty that we're dealing with right now in 2025, you want to be careful with setting prices so that you're not telling people this is the price, forever, when in fact things will change. I have a number of things about pricing up on our YouTube channel. If you're interested in this topic, there's around 30 of these videos that are in one list there on our YouTube channel. But for 2025, now's the time to pay attention to tariffs if you haven't already been doing so.